my dear children. I hope you all are staying healthy and fine. My name is Elo Beni and I'll be taking grade 2 science. The topic is plants and their parts. From this topic we will learn plants and their parts. Each plant has different parts and each part has their own role. Each plant has their own works to do to keep the plant healthy. Plants provides us with food, fruits, medicine, wood. It also converts carbon monoxide into life-giving oxygen. Oxygen is the air that we breathe in. So this oxygen we get it from the plants. Now let us look into the parts of the plant one by one and let us try to learn the role that they play. The first is the root. These roots are generally found underground, and the role of this root is that it collects the water from the soil and then it supports the entire plant. The next one is the stem. This stem is the thickest and the strongest part of the plant. This stem is generally green in color, but later it turns into brown. The role of this stem is that it transports the water around the plant. Transport means to move something. Now the third one is the leaves. Leaves are usually found in different shape, size, color, but most of the leaves are green in color. It's because of the presence of chlorophyll that helps them to prepare their own food. So the role of the leaf is that it helps to make food for the plant. This leaf also has small opening called the stomata, through which they take in and give out air. Now this is the flower. Flower is considered to be the most beautiful part of a plant. The flower is the part of the plant where seeds are made. Some flowers make fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. Seeds grow into a new plant. So this is all about the parts of the plant and their role. Now what is the difference between healthy and unhealthy plants? Some healthy plants have healthy root, stem and leaves, whereas unhealthy plants have unhealthy root, stem and leaves, which the plants do not grow well. From this topic, we find two types of diseases found in a plant. The first one is root knot disease. The root knot disease is caused by microbes and parasites. They generally attack the roots that is present in the soil. These microbes and parasites are present in the soil. This type of disease is commonly found in tomato plant, pepper, cucumber, squash, etc. Now the second one is the rust disease. This rust disease is caused by fungi and fungal parasites. It causes the leaves to appear orange or yellow spots or streaks on the undersides. It affects trees, grasses, shrubs, etc. So this is all about from this topic. I hope you have understood. Till then, take care and stay safe.